Hey, what's up guys? It's HotDiecast Garage, and this is a 2017 Hot Wheels car culture set called Cars and Donuts. Now what makes this set stand out as one of the best car culture sets is the variety of the cars. We have an exquisite hypercar, classic JDM, a vintage Italian racer, iconic German supercar, and a modern day tuner. There are countless series that have a wide variety of vehicles, and then there are a lot of sets that have a specific theme, but somehow Cars and Donuts manages to blend the two together. We have a great group of vehicles that really fit together as a team. When these first hit the store shelves, I was only able to get 3 of them, but now I have all 5 out of 5. There is a 6th one. It's part of a Redline exclusive set, and it's the 2013 Copo Camaro. However, we're going to open up the original 5 in this episode, so let's get these things out of the box. Starting off with number 1 out of 5, this is the orange McLaren P1 hypercar, probably one of my favorite car culture castings of all time. It has black 10-spoke Wheel Riders rims and black racing livery that gives it a tiger-like appearance. Number 2 from Cars and Donuts is a JDM icon. Of course, we're talking about the custom Datsun 240Z. This one features a pearlescent white paint job, classic 4-spoke Wheel Riders rims, and looks like a great car to do some donuts. The third model in this car culture collection is the silver Alfa Romeo Giulia Sprint GTA. This vintage Italian racer has red, white, and green striping, racing number 2 on the side, and 8-spoke Wheel Riders wheels. Moving on to number 4, which was a brand new casting for Cars and Donuts. It's the white BMW M1 Pro car, which features double 7-spoke Wheel Riders wheels and signature BMW M Performance colors. Now you cannot go wrong with number 5 out of 5 in this series. It is the Subaru Impreza WRX in blue with 10-spoke gold Wheel Riders rims, but the coolest thing is the plastic bug-eye headlights and great details that make this car a really nice choice for cruising. There you have it guys, a little blast from the past with 5 Cars and Donuts models from the 2017 car culture lineup. You know, every year there are more and more car culture models, but it's pretty exciting to look back and see how all these models are fitting together as a collection. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, make sure to subscribe here at HotDiecast Garage, and I'll see you guys on my next Hot Wheels video.